Tired of navigating overwhelming spreadsheets? Let's unlock the power of hiding and unhiding columns in Excel for instant clarity and laser-focused data analysis. To hide a column, start by selecting the entire column you want to conceal. You can do this by simply clicking on the column header itself. Notice how the entire column is now highlighted. With the column highlighted, right-click anywhere within the selected column header. A context menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Hide option. Watch as your selected column instantly disappears, making your spreadsheet cleaner and more manageable. Having hidden columns is a fantastic way to declutter your view and emphasize specific data, but what if you need to bring them back? To unhide columns, you first need to select the columns adjacent to the one you hid. In this example, if we hid column C, we'll select both column B and column D again. Click and drag across their respective headers. Once you've selected the columns surrounding the hidden one, right-click on either of the selected column headers. This time, select the Unhide option from the context menu. Instantly, your hidden column will reappear, perfectly placed within your dataset. Mastering column hiding and unhiding is a simple yet powerful technique that transforms how you work with data in Excel, boosting your productivity and making your spreadsheets a breeze to navigate. Try it out and see the difference.